Alright, welcome back to Simple Detail. Finally got some decent weather out here today. It snowed a couple days, but I have to say it's not as bad as it is for the people out in Texas right now, so hearts and prayers go out to all of you. Hope you're all safe, and hope things will get better soon. So for today I'm going to take the opportunity to use my new pressure washer I picked up. It's an Italian made pressure washer. The brand is called Kodiak, made by Dynablast. I've never heard of it before, but the specs were pretty good. It's 1.85 GPM, 1300 psi, and it's electric, which I wanted to use because I have a gas pressure washer that I don't want to use anymore, and it's a lot more lightweight, a lot more compact. And let me show you what it looks like. So here's the new pressure washer, Kodiak 4000R. It doesn't have stop start, so it always runs when you use it, but it is very quiet. Well, I'd say quieter than using my gas pressure washer. So it has a pressure gauge on the side, so when you run it you can see how much pressure you're running. And I'm gonna connect my hose and show you how it sounds. Alright, so I got everything connected, and let me turn it on. So if I press the trigger on the gun, you'll see the pressure go up. So it's pretty quiet. I mean, when you're not next to it, it's pretty quiet. And the sidewalk is very quiet. Sounds like a vacuum. Some sort. But let me rinse off the car, show you how it performs. That's the car rinsed off. Gonna do a rinseless wash on it afterwards. And that's the pressure washer. So I got it tucked away in this corner of the garage. I found these bike hooks from the dollar store, screwed them into the stud, and it holds up pretty well. This pressure washer is about 40-ish pounds, and I like it up there so it's not on the ground and not on a shelf, I guess. It's easy to reach and stays with everything else I need to wash the car with. So I'm planning to get a new hose. This one upgraded from the original one it came with, but I plan on getting either the Uberflex or maybe a Flexzilla hose from Amazon. So we'll see how that goes. So we'll get on to the next thing. I've never used the product from Gtechniq before. Not until today. So this is Gtechniq G5, the water repellent coating for glass and perspex. So things like plastic windows or Lexan. Right now I got OptiGlass coating on the windshield. It's been on the car for 3 years, so from the day I bought it, or 4 years now. And the repellency is starting to dwindle down, so I'm going to try the G5, see how it works. And gotta prep the windshield, so clean it, put some window cleaner on there, clay bar it. Found some old Ricardo clay bar, and let's get started with that. So I'll show you the water behavior before I put on the coating. I got an IK sprayer with O&R. So let's see. It still beads up water, looking a little flat. So I think it's time for a new coating. And while I have O&R on there, I'll use the O&R as a glass cleaner. Pretty easy. Alright, next, going to use the O&R as a clay lube. And the clay will just pick up anything that could be in the glass. You may not feel it, but you'll probably see it in the clay. Just a little bit. So there's the clay. A little bit on the edge there, picked up some dirt. Got the glass clean and clayed. So I'm gonna hit it with paint coating prep. This is from P&S. I've actually used it once, but this should be a good opportunity to use it before I coat the windshield with another coating. So we'll grab a clean towel. So I'll let the coating prep sit for 30 seconds and then wipe it all off. Alright, so got the glass cleaned, prepped. It's time for the coating. Shake it up a bit. I'm gonna use this microfiber applicator. So 4 drops. Doesn't smell like anything. Doesn't taste like anything. So going to put it on circular motions. Just put 2 more dots for the passenger side. Don't know why I started from the top. Start from the bottom if you want. So that's the G5 applied. I didn't read the label. I just did it how properly prep and clean the glass before you put any coating on. At room temperature, the sealant will be touch dry after 15 minutes and fully cured after 24 hours. So come back after 15 minutes and wipe it off. So the wipe off is pretty easy, and the bottle says avoid contact with water for at least 2 hours after application. So we'll do that. It is 6:25. So we'll come back at 8:30. Okay, we're back. It's about 8:44. Coating should be nice and cured now. Got a bucket of water and a cup. See how it reacts. Oh yeah. This falls right off. Pretty happy with that. Okay, so that's how to coat a windshield. I'm pretty happy with the G5. Don't know what the lifespan of the product is. Some say 3-6 months. And this weather in the winter could be pretty shortened because the winter would reduce the life, dealing with all the road salt and wiping of the windshield, so that can reduce the life of the coating. But keep the car clean enough, it should last a while. And maybe I'll step up to the G1, which is the more durable of the two. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and keep your eye out, subscribe for more. Thank you.